我们应该去找他。We should go find him. I have a bad feeling about this.
What shall we do?
你的朋友有危险。Your friend is in danger. Follow me if you want to know what happened.
我不信任猫。I don't trust that cat.
I don't know what else to do. 我们跟他走吧。Let's see where he takes us. Here, 我们到了。We've arrived.
这是什么？ What is this?
My food bowl. 喂我好吃的。If you want to know the truth, you must feed me first. I'm too weak to talk.
我说了，猫不可信。I told you we shouldn't trust him. 我们走吧。Let's go. He can find his own food.
No. If you ever want to see your friend again, food now. 好可怜。Poor guy. Let's just get him some food. No.